Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. If you have Creative Aurvana Ace 2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on them. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first is troubleshooting. If your earbuds will not connect or will not sync or will not pair with your Bluetooth or your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're getting sound out of only the left or right ear, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step to fix a lot of these problems. The other reason is if you just want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can start fresh with these headphones with a new device or a new phone or whatever, we can go ahead and do that. It's quite easy to do. All you need to do is put your earbuds in the case and leave the lid of the case open. And with them in the case and the lid open, you're going to come in, you're going to press this multifunction button on the bottom of the case, press and hold it for 8 seconds. And after about 8 seconds, this light will flash blue, indicating that the hard reset has been complete and the factory defaults have been restored.